Yo, good people. It's your homie HerbMan, busting you back upside the head with another hot banger boogie. So people ask me all the time, yo, HerbMan, how do you recommend we take your sea moss gel, okay? So I'm gonna give you guys a little tutorial here. I already kind of prepared it, so you're a little late, but just for instruction purposes, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So basically, this is the sea moss gel, okay? So you see how it's just like a gel, right? All right, and that's based on the way that we prepare it, okay? We do not blend sea moss, we boil, all right? So we do that, we'll take a tablespoon to a teaspoon, depending on what your situation is, all right? And then you'll put it into some hot water, all right? And then you're gonna just stir that up, and it will dissolve in your hot water, okay? So the hot water should be about 8 ounces to a teaspoon. You know, you can do maybe a cup and a half to a tablespoon of hot water, right? And then you take a tablespoon of our sea moss gel and you'll put it in the hot water and it will dissolve, okay? And because of what we make our sea moss with, all right, this is just gonna be like hot, sweet tea. Now, we'd rather for you to take it hot because it really gets into the body the best way. You really shouldn't be trying to take all this stuff cold, right? Because if you got a cold, or if cold is causing the stagnation or the constipation within the body, then you don't want to take it cold. And a lot of times our issues are based on too much cold that has set into the body. So you want to be able to have a sea moss or a sea moss gel that can dissolve in hot liquids, okay? And that's why we prepared this the way that we prepared it. And that's why we concocted it the way that we concocted it with the right proper ingredients, so that when you're drinking this sea moss, it still has flavor. It's going to taste like hot, sweet tea. And you can just go ahead and drink it when it gets warm enough for you to drink it, man. So I love you guys. It's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Go tell somebody to go tell somebody about your homie HerbMan. And until next time, get your NutraMoss on. Yes, sir.